Hello guys, today we start a new unit number 7, and we work with these pages, page number 106 and 107, and we have this unit, or home. How can I design a dream house? And the first thing is to check it out the pictures. What is your favorite place in this house? Point and say. Check it out the picture. We have some house parts. We have this little house, and we have some rooms. Okay, now you look at the house already. Now you have to stick the items in the rooms. Let's go get the stickers. Vamos a traer los stickers. Recuerden, están en la parte de atrás de nuestro libro. And we have to place them where they belong. Vamos a ponerlos donde corresponde. The stickers goes in the bedroom, and the kitchen, and the bathroom. You have to decide where they belong. Okay, that's the first part. That's the first activity. And the second one with this page 107 is real easy. We have two sentences, 1 and 2, and these sentences are talking about this little house. Déjenme la hago más grande. Okay, the little house here. Okay, we have to choose the correct one. Vamos a escoger la correcta, the one that is talking about this house. Y le ponemos un check mark a la que sea correcta, okay? And then we listen to our new song. Déjenme lo hago más pequeño porque si no, no se va a ver ahí, okay? Ahora sí. Let's listen to the song, because remember, you have to send me an audio with this song. Así que let's go.
This is our house. It's a beautiful house. It has everything that we need. A bedroom, a kitchen, and space to play and read. This is our house. It's a beautiful house. It has everything that we like. A bedroom, a bathroom, a kitchen, and space to ride a bike.
Okay, that's our song. Aquí se las dejo para que la escuchen. And remember, we have to make an audio singing that song, cantando esa cancioncita. You'll have until Monday, next Monday. Hasta ese día tienen para entregarme este audio, así que vamos a practicarla. Y ahora sí, algo un poquito más difícil, que fue lo que hicimos en nuestra libreta, en our notebook, these two activities, estas dos, okay? Activity number 1, you have to write down these sentences, 1, 2, and 3. Vamos a escribirlas en la libreta, in our notebook. I wake up in the... ¿Dónde nos levantamos? Bedroom, or kitchen. I take a shower in... ¿Dónde? I take a shower in the bedroom, or kitchen. I make cookies in the... Y completamos con una de estas tres. And the last activity, activity number 2, dice look and write. Use the words from 1. Okay? Entonces dice, the first one, I'm going to the... ¿A dónde va la niña? Where is she going? Number 2, vamos a escribir lo mismo. I'm going to the... ¿A dónde va? Number 2. Y number 3, I'm going to the... ¿A dónde va el niño? Miren, he's sleepy. Ok, vamos a completar estas tres. I'm going to the... I'm going to the. Y the last one, I'm going to the. Ok. Eso fue lo que estuvimos haciendo el día de hoy. Les recuerdo que me tienen que entregar ese audio para más tardar el Monday. Por eso les estoy dando tanto tiempo, porque van a tener Today, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday y un poquito del Monday para completar ese audio cantando esa cancioncita. Yo les subo la indicación también en Classroom para que la tengan, así que muy pendientes, ¿ok? Nos vemos el día de mañana, tomorrow, Thursday. See you later. Bye, bye.